Power up your world without limits. Meet the Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus, a next-level portable power station built to handle everything from outdoor adventures to whole home backup. With its massive capacity, expandable design, and ultra-fast charging, this powerhouse keeps your essentials running anytime, anywhere, with clean and reliable energy you can count on. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, how to pair, how to charge, how to use, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus, an AC charging cable, MC4 wrench, and a user manual. Want to grab the Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. The power station has a base capacity of 5,040 watt-hours, 5 kilowatt-hours, and can be expanded up to 60 kilowatt-hours by adding battery pack 5,000 plus units. This allows it to power essential home appliances for days or even weeks during an outage. It can continuously deliver 7,200 watts of power, with the ability to handle surge power of up to 14,400 watts. The power station supports both 120 volts and 240 volts, enabling it to run heavy-duty appliances like clothes dryers, water pumps, or electric ovens. In online UPS mode, the unit provides a seamless and uninterrupted power transition for critical devices like computers and routers during a power outage. This eliminates the risk of data loss or device disruption. With the Jackery mobile app, you can remotely monitor the power station's status, customize settings, and manage energy usage via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can also see important data like your current energy consumption. The power station offers 5 different ways to charge. Using the optional Smart Transfer Switch, STS, it can be charged in as little as 1.7 hours. With standard AC charging, it takes about 3.5 hours, and it can also be charged by compatible solar panels. Specifications. How to pair. Press and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to turn the Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus on or off. Once powered on, the display screen will light up automatically. You can also press the power button once to control the display screen separately. Download the official Jackery app from the App Store or Google Play on your phone. After installation, open the app. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your device. Then register a new account or log in with your existing Jackery account. In the app, tap Add Device to start searching. Press and hold the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi button on the Explorer 5000 Plus until the indicator flashes. Once the station appears, complete Bluetooth pairing, then connect it to Wi-Fi by entering your password. Finally, name your device, and you'll see the home page with battery level, input and output power and status. How to charge. Plug the included AC charging cable into the wall outlet, then connect it to the input port on the Explorer 5000 Plus. The display will show input power and charging will begin automatically. Connect Jackery Solar Saga panels, or compatible panels, to the solar input ports on the Explorer 5000 Plus. Make sure panels are placed under direct sunlight. The display will show the charging status in real time. Use the provided car charging cable to connect your vehicle's 12-volt or 24-volt ports to the DC input of the Explorer 5000 Plus. This method charges more slowly but is useful while traveling. How to use. Press and hold the main power button for 2 seconds until the LCD screen lights up. This activates the Explorer 5000 Plus and gets it ready for use. The display will immediately show battery percentage and system status. Choose the output you need: AC outlets for appliances, DC port for 12-volt gear, or USB ports for electronics. Press the matching section button, AC or DC, before plugging in your device. Always check that the total load does not exceed 5,000 watts. Keep an eye on the LCD screen to track input, output, and remaining runtime. For more control, use the Jackery app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to monitor battery health, update firmware, and manage settings remotely. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus. See you in the next one.